Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the questions that we've got is why do we have Windows 7 apps, and why do we have things like that seem to look like the past, and there's a lot of them in Windows 11 and Windows 10, which is something that might seem to be a little weird and counterproductive. And, well, you've got to understand that Windows is built on a basic code and a basic system. Its spine is the registry, and what happens with this is that this is the system that has been kind of, upgraded over time with new versions. But new versions aren't just, totally new code and we're moving forward. They're built and continue to be built around old code and old ways of Windows functionalities. There's a reason why Windows has always been something good for people that want to have a older, software, older hardware that still continues to work. And one of the reasons for that is because of the legacy code left behind and the way that it continues to work with a legacy system that has still the famous registry in it. The only way that you can actually totally remove and go forward in a new system would be to ditch all of this and to really build from the ground up a new system. You've noticed, probably a lot of people have, that Windows 11 has at times and then many times Windows 10 feel, because Windows 11 was kind of built over Windows 10 in some way. There's some modifications. And Windows 10, well, has legacy code from Windows 8, Windows 7. There's legacy code that goes all the way back to Windows 95 in Windows. But that's what makes it the champion of keeping compatibility with old hardware. And that's why you see things like the control panel that looks like the Windows XP control panel from way, way, way back. That's why you've got things like backup and restore that says Windows 7 in it. It's all because of the way Windows moved forward. But the problem is, this also is a big problem. It prevents Windows from really innovating in a new way. And when Windows 10 X was supposed to come out, that was the excitement. Maybe some new Windows totally built from scratch with a new code, which never materialized, probably because they noticed how complex it was to rebuild a complete operating system without having, the basics of it. And so we ended up with Windows 11 that had some ideas, but built still over the old code. Will Microsoft one day move off of this? That's a difficult question. Moving off and having a new system built from scratch also means telling everybody that from now on, a lot of the old hardware software will stop working. And that I don't think Microsoft is prepared to do. So I expect, and we know that Windows 12 is a possibility, but I expect that Windows 12 will still continue using the same old system, still has legacy code in it, and will continue forward in the same way. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.